Hello everyone and welcome back to Genie Crafts. In this third and last installment of portrait paper cutting basics, today we are going to see that how do you approach a portrait paper cutting wherein the person is wearing glasses and you cannot see the eyes of the person but only the reflection of what the person is looking at. So I have chosen this image from pixabay.com wherein this girl is wearing glasses. She is looking at some building and you can see the reflection of that building in the glasses that the girl is wearing. So as usual, like the last two portrait paper cuts, I'm going to get the other parts of the portrait done like the hair, the neck, the chin, etc. And then we'll be focusing directly on the face, especially on the glasses. So here we are after completing the hair portion, and now let's jump straight into the face area. So when you're cutting out the reflection inside the glasses, you have to treat them as a separate mini paper cut inside your original portrait paper cutting. You can decide whether you want to keep the white or you want to keep the black. Just ensure that whatever you're keeping should be interconnected throughout and should not get broken while you're removing the cutout pieces. In my case, I'm keeping the white area and I'm removing the black portions. In such kind of portraits, you also need to understand one thing, that the reflection is a very miniature representation of something very big that the person is looking at. So the chances are that reflection portion will be extremely intricate, and you have to be very careful and very patient when you're cutting out the reflection, because if you miss out even on a small part, the final output or the final cutout will not look a replica of the reflection. Once you're done with rest of the cutout parts, carefully cut out the border and remove the portrait from the background area. In this case, the background was very bad, so I was particularly not interested in the background, so I'm just simply removing all the background. And here we are ready with our portrait, and once you put it against a black background, it is really going to look very nice. So guys, do let me know if you found this mini portrait paper cutting tutorial series useful. If you guys like this video, then please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys very soon in my next video on a different form of paper art. Till then, stay safe, take care and bye bye.